Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraiser can accept an assignment with conditions and specifically to extend a due date. So, in today's video, we'll talk about the extension of a due date. So, as you can see in this, we have an appraisal order that needs an acceptance is required. So, when we click on this appraisal order, and I feel like everything is fine, but the due date is June 19. I want to extend that. The rest of the things are correct, fine. I need to just accept it, but with condition that I need to extend the due date. So I've seen the fee is this, and when I click on accept with condition button, so the terms and conditions, I need to review all of it, and then I have to accept by clicking on the checkbox and accept and continue. Select the request to due date extension and pick a date that is after that specific date. So, and I define it's a complex project, so I need some more days to do it. So as soon as it's submitted, so a conditional acceptance submitted, so we have to wait for the admin approval. So once the admin has approved, we can move towards the inspection. So it's on hold basically. So we need to resume the project so that they can do the rest of the things. As you can see, it's on hold. So it's on hold when I go to this specific and it says that there is something that they said that can you do it by 20th. So basically they said that they need some changes. So submit updated request. We need to define it, the due date, and then we'll see. So sorry, we need to define in the date, and then we have to do the submit the updated request, and now wait for the ops admin to define that what should be the date. Conditional acceptance is received, so basically it was resolved, and now basically you can do the inspection scheduling of the specific appraisal order. So you can move forward. So this is how you can extend a due date if there's some changes requested. So you can change again, make some changes, and then finally it can be approved. Or it could be even finally approved in the first step if the ops admin of the AMC feel like it's fine and this can be done. So they will approve it. But if they request any changes, so it will be that you need to make some changes in it. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.